Well, what a lovely, lovely day. Absolutely glorious weather here as we welcome you to a football match of considerable significance, great consequence. It looks as though we're going to have a great turnout, such has been the level of enthusiasm generated once the fixture was announced. There is still movement in the crowd, plenty of people yet to take their seats. The roads outside are very, very busy, particularly around this time of day. Certainly this is a very, very impressive venue, quite a sight to behold. And so, the national anthems. Well, that has got the juices flowing, and now this.
You can look at this formation 1 minute and think that it is 4-3-3, and the next time you check it'll be 4-5-1, and it's all to do with whether you've got the ball or not, and the wider attacking players being asked to apply defensive discipline too. When it does turn to a 5 across midfield, then the shape of this team takes on a much tidier, compact defensive look.
We go then. Pinnock. Now Reed. Shifted upfield. It's Antonio. Out to the left it goes. And the shot! They've scored!
Yeah, the right touch in moments like that is key to what follows. Oh, very neat and tidy.
Jamaica take the early advantage. Good play on the left-hand side here. That's a good intervention. That was what he had to make in the face of danger that was growing. Antonio! A real chance to break. He is through here. It's a promising build-up, this. Plenty of really great hits. Oh, the ball's come loose here. Blake herring after the ball here. Reed. Molino. That is lovely. Swept in. And that should be the keeper's. Molino. He's left his man. No, he's taken off it. That's really well played. Morrison. Oh, he's found some space here. Sends it forward. Morrison. Deftly done. Has a goal! Keeper pulls up a fine save.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
It's a loose ball. Morris and the shot! Total good! They have breathing space! With time and space aplenty, he was never going to miss.
Well, it doesn't have to look spectacular. Why complicate simplicity?
Starting to look very comfortable.
Well, that second goal has given them so much more command and confidence now, and they should be able to take it on from here and either add to their lead or close it out. Surely they'll manage one or the other.
Whistle's gone, that's a foul. Moved on forwards. Lovely ball into space. He might be in here. Shots and Antonio! Just off target.
I think his face smacks of disbelief as opposed to disappointment. He thought he was about to score.
Turns back here, probably the best option. Gently done. Nicholson. That's a terrific surge down the right. The ball is loose and the chase is on. Very nicely done. Crossed in once more. Jamaica get it back again. No way through, so he's gone for goal! Just swings wide.
Look, I'm sure he'll deny it, Peter, but the keeper didn't have that covered.
He's had a fair tumble under that challenge. Just eases him off the ball. Pinnock. Nicholson chasing after it. Now who's going to be first to this? Into the box.
That right side seems to have become a very good outlet for them now. Look, it's the width that's providing this momentum, and they look set to further exploit. Well, the defence have two choices: deal with the man or deal with the space.
He's found the way through. Cross goes in there.
Jamaica really are making good use of that right-hand side. The light is very much the colour green. Look, it's the width that's providing this momentum, and they look set to further exploit. Really aren't convincing right now. It has to start in defence, but the whole team needs a wake-up call.
Communication breakdown there, it seems. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Well, that's down to...
Can he finish? And the lead is extended still further.
Yeah, I'd call that transition with bite. They won it back and bit hard.
Three without reply. This is becoming a stroll. Molino. It's anyone's ball now.
Well, that was well positioned and well pitched. They can't hurt with their backs to goal.
Pinnock. Forwards and with intent. And it's played forward. And that's been levered clear. And that's the end of that. It all started well enough. That's really well controlled. Now there's chance! It's loose and there's a race for the ball. And there's his chance to lead the counter. Now it's Molino. Nice interception, well timed. Back into the middle, spread out to the left. Oh, it's played in, header! Oh, it's come loose. It's good distance on it. A decent effort as the first half draws to a close. Well, there's plenty that can be said about the last 45 minutes, but one thing that cannot be said is that it's dull. One-sided, yes, but packed with excitement.
Peter, do I really need to say anything, or can I simply refer you to the scoreline?
Jamaica are cruising it at half-time, 3-0 ahead. And we're off again. And he's forced to go back. He's played it low. Nicely intercepted. He could be in here. Keeper's ball. That looks a cracking ball. He can get that clear. Look at the space here. Knocks it out wide. Molino was only too happy to help out in defence.
Well, it's not a surprise to see that these days, all part of a forward's duties.
Stands up to him well and emerges with the ball. Hits one! And it was a chance, but meat and drink for the keeper. Good spot, he's seen the run. Morrison, in by Morrison. Well, clearly he didn't mean it that way, and he is as disappointed as anyone.
Oh, what a dampener that was, just when we were hoping he'd turn up the heat.
Molino. Oh, nice touch. Jamaica are simply cruising along with this 3-goal lead. Now it's Molino. And that has put paid to that. Oh, well played. Morrison, who's made his mark on this game. Oh, that's an inviting ball. Oh, that's a key interception. Molino. Just about up to the hour now. Oh, that's nice. Firmly met, and he can clear it away. Lobbed in behind. Oh, super find. He's got away. Cleared without complication. And that's been won straight back. Pinnock. Reed. Move forward and quickly so. Played out towards the right wing. It looked as though that might lead to something quite promising, but it turned out that that was not the case. Interesting ball. The ball needed to be better there, so a wasted chance. Reed gives his colleague a guilty look.
The movement was good, but the pass lacked authority, a cause of mild frustration. Have beautifully policed that midfield. The opposition have been handcuffed.
And it's Antonio. Shapes to shoot! Oh, just lacked a decent finish.
Jamaica certainly look a very capable counter-attacking team. They're direct, they're quick, and to be honest, they're full of belief that it'll pay off. Johnson.
Just about up to 75 minutes. Hops for safety. Forwards and with intent. Great run on the overlap here. Deflected behind for a corner kick. Oh, there is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change.
Yeah, it's about time I think we saw some activity from the bench, but it's debatable as to what level of impact can be made from here. It's pretty late.
That looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. Played out to the left flank. It's an inviting looking ball, that. Morrison. Here's Reed. Pinnock goes direct to the front line. Nice interception. His positioning was spot on. Shifted upfield, played towards the other side. Jamaica are closing in on a comfortable win. Over to the left. He's in plenty of space here. Lovely feet. Now it's Antonio. Now it's Bailey. Fires it in low. He can get that clear. Gets his pass away. It's a promising position. In towards the middle. Now some movement on the bench, and we are going to see a change. He got amongst the goals here, and now he takes his leave.
I think he's put in a good shift, and their fans appreciate that. I think he can feel pretty happy with the contribution he's made.
Played out to the right. Sends it forward. Oh, can he get onto this? So just one extra minute for stoppages. That's tidy. There's the cross. Good read, needed to be. And the referee brings it to a close.